Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research before doing anything, of course. But yeah, let's go over today. Let's see what happened today. We'll pretty much go over everything, and yeah, we'll do it. But first thing is first. I do want to. So yeah, we'll go over everything. But yeah, we'll go tell the team we're on live and pull up this other live stream really quickly. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Alright, so yeah, pretty much just getting started. Today was a crazy day. Seems like every play ended up hitting, so. Let's see. Okay, just pulled that up there. I'm gonna pull up this other chart. Let's go. Alright, TikTok live. At everyone. Yo, what's up, everyone? Alright, so yeah, we just told the team we're on live, pretty much. SOFI, do I think it's worth holding? Let me look. So yeah, I'll pull it up too. So SOFI. Alright, so we'll just go over it. Obviously, the first one, of course, gotta give it to my the one, the QQQ here, and pretty much what I saw here, same exact thing. This clear gap up of no consolidation. This is what I was looking for, the downside. If you were in the Discord, you would have seen this was the first play that I ended up posting. We had this clear, empty space. We ended up breaking below. We tapped that first and final. Even more, it looks like we are trying to dump, really dump here. Ooh. Okay, maybe I should have held a runner, but it's all good. He said flying to Brazil today, trying to get in whatever I can. Yo, fire. Alright, so yeah, what a great day. We'll go over pretty much everything. Honestly, if the Qs end up continuing, I could see down to that 607. I'll be honest, I couldn't care less about it. They could drop down even further. It's cool. We already hit that little trade there, so that's what I can see there. Can the keys reverse from here for a lotto call? I personally would not touch it at all. Just because I see a lot more downside. So I do see downside to that 611 area, but let me take a look here. Maybe on a lower time frame. What I can see is, we did end up. Hold on 1 second here. So yeah, we still got this empty space here. So we ended up getting this clear gap, down. All that I'm looking at is, yeah, if we got another Potter box here, so a nice top and bottom wall, then I would love to take it to the upside. But as of this second here, I'm just gonna chill out and wait for those entries there. Alright, so we'll keep on going here. Oh, 1 second here. 1 second. Alright, so yeah, that is all on the Qs. That was just this morning here. We'll go over IWM. So this was a lotto play for me. Ended up doing very amazing on this. As you can see here, I think what all the plays ended up hitting except for my QCOM. So the QCOM did not treat well today. But yeah, you can see IWM clear gap up another empty space move. We end up getting a nice break. This morning, I did tell the team that this one's going to be more of a lotto for me. So just don't jump in right away. Let's see what it shows. And then, as you can see, we end up. So yeah, that was just this morning here, and we end up where we at? IWM touching that first and that final TP. So, for me, I'm done. Is there more downside? Let's take a look here. All right, let's see where Apple is. So, all right. So, anyways, more downside. So there is a lot. There's definitely pockets here for sure. for the downside, personally, I'm just going to let it do its thing. But yeah, other than that, yeah, I'm just going to let it do whatever it wants to do. I can see, yes, we got some empty space down here. So we got some empty space, another little pocket here. Down to that 238. But other than that, yeah, I'm just going to let it chill out. So yeah, you know, we had a decent day. Pretty much all the charts hitting. I'm not just saying that just to be funny, but yeah, it was a nice, great day. So that's on IWM. If it does go, cool. The only thing I could also see is if we do end up rejecting back up here, could see it rejecting that 241.69. All right, so that is on IWM. We'll take a look. All right, so Apple, do want to see that 274. We'll see how that plays out. So yes, we went over the Qs. Dang, everything is still dropping. That is crazy. Yo, that is wild. This is like crazy, guys. I don't think you guys understand, or maybe you do, but my targets were already hit with a lot of these trades here, and they're still going. The only thing that stayed up, bruh, was Apple. So everything is dropping except for Apple. So gotta be careful in this one. Actually, yes, we had empty space here. We broke above our top level. So this was a call out from yesterday. So shout out to Rug for this one, actually. So one of the mods. But yeah, we ended up getting that break outside. Looks like if we do continue further, 274.36. That'll be that first target there, officially. I pray that's why. That's good. That's good. Is Tradeovate a safe website to use? So for futures, it's actually, honestly, it's pretty decent. Obviously, yes, you just do your own research. So I'm not telling you guys to do anything. So yes, please do your own research, of course. But yeah, Apple 274. That's that final, well, that first there. So yeah, a couple members ended up hitting a couple decent trades here. Shout out Jesus. So yeah, that's the main one getting the glory here. So shout out to the ladies as well. End up catching a couple of those trades. Shout out to Jay for catching that SPY. You can even see, let's see here. I had a couple members. Hold on. I got to change this song since I don't like it. But yeah, you can see pretty much this morning what ended up happening. I put Brothers, Band Today keeps the 9 to 5 away, so he made what? About like 1,300 on that little play there from this morning. You can see where we pretty much called out all these plays. QQ puts, Tesla puts. Did have an entry for calls if we did get it. Tesla, so I did end up missing this first run. But yeah, the downside ended up happening. We closed under. We got to the empty space. All right, so yes, let's keep going. Apple 274. We went over that. SOFI. Let me see. We shall look. All right, so as of now, yeah, we got some empty space that is above us. So yeah, what I can see here is this. One second here, 1 second. All right, so yeah, right here, above this 30.91. So we did not get above our level yet. But yeah, I do want to see, yeah, we get that nice break. Yeah, we got some empty space above us. Looks like, yeah, sellers end up taking that control. So pretty much on all these plays here. And yeah, looks like we're trying to go down a bit. Let's look on a lower time frame, see if there's anything. Okay. We actually do have another little box here. So what I can see is same thing here. So one second. Yeah, we got some empty space, so clear gap down if we can break under this 2805. So 2805 all the way down to that 2744. So pretty much same exact thing. Wait, let me make sure there's nothing stopping us either before I speak even more. Actually, yeah, it looks really good. That's to that downside. So yeah, we would need to break under that 2805 for that downside. Alright, so IWM, we did that. Apple, gonna leave that one up. See if we can hit that. Alright, so yeah, that's on SO5. We'll keep on going. Well, we'll take a look at Amazon too. Amazon. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, Amazon looking pretty good, guys and gals. Alright, let me look here. Let me look. Alright, so Amazon, we do have a nice little 4-hour chart here. So pretty much all these same exact trades here that we ended up having. You can easily see, yes, we got this clear gap up here. So clear gap up, no consolidation. Oh, Amazon. Yeah, I'm going to have to write that down. AMZN. All right, cool, cool, cool. So Amazon looks good. Honestly, this could be a nice little swing if we get it. Yeah, let's see. That's if we want to, you know, continue to drop. Right now, we're right at that wall. We're like perfectly sitting. I'll definitely take it if we can get it though. Oh my gosh, guys, that is so crazy. That is crazy. Like, this is like wild. This is wild. Yeah, that is crazy. All right, so 1 second here. So yeah, right under that bottom wall, we got empty space down to that 226 area. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. So that is on Amazon. It actually looks good. I'll definitely I've written that down. Yo, that is crazy. Like, I don't think anyone understands how like crazy today was. Like, literally all my plays end up hitting except for QCOM. The QCOM play didn't hit. I'll be honest. But yeah, that is so wild. You can see literally all these plays here that ended up happening. IWM puts this morning. So obviously a lotto for me, but ended up hitting. You can see QQ puts. You can also see Tesla puts as well. Told the team what I was looking for this morning. Watching QQ and Tesla. Obviously PLTR didn't end up getting a trade on that. IWM going to be more of a lotto. So I already told the team what we wanted. We end up having these positions. We get in, we get out. A couple members. Band today keeps the 9 to 5 away. Boom, you can see pretty much just scroll down pretty much and let's see. Apple, boom, QQQ, shout out Lawnmower, catching that one too as well. So yeah, shout out Jesus, man. It's been a great day. First trade I took here. So yes, new member ended up taking on his first trade here. Nice little green little trade there, but yeah, that was pretty much it for today. So yeah, it's actually wild how crazy these trades are moving, and Apple ended up going up into the target. That's crazy. So, yo, keep up. Yeah, it's wild. All right, so like literally, look at this. Just look at it. If you watch my first live stream, you would have seen it. All right, so I'll leave an alert there. I do like Amazon. Amazon actually looks pretty good. All right, so BACRCL. Hold on. Let's pull these up here. Let's see. There might be some downside. Just maybe. Okay, yeah. So let's see here. We'll go to a 24-hour time frame. Ooh, wow. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, so yeah, there is empty space below us. Honestly, that looks really good. Hold on. I'm keeping an eye on a couple of these trades. So there's a lot that is underneath us. Let me take a look. I personally, hold on. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna get my levels right really quickly. So if it looks like I'm okay, so this is what I like here. I get, yes, we could end up going down to this 193. 73 area. But yes, right under that, we got more of a move here. Dude, we are still going. That is crazy. That is so wild. All right, so where are we at? So BA, yeah, my bad, guys. It's just crazy. Yeah, today was a wild day. If you're in the Discord, you can see every play that I put. Well, maybe not every single play, but yeah, majority of them did end up doing very, very well. All right, so that's there. So yeah, right under that 191 area, if we can get under that little level there, we got empty space under us. So yeah, clear gap up here, no consolidation. We get this nice break under this 191.67. We got empty space down to this 185. So yeah, that's that little next move on BA. The only thing about BA is it's BA, so we got to be very careful. He said I just caught spy puts and calls. Dude, Fireman, yeah, today was a. I will say it was a, you know, very self-explanatory day. You know, empty space. Honestly, hold on. That is crazy. That is pretty wild. Maybe I should have held a runner, but it's all good. Can we turn around after Trump speaks? Honestly, it seems like... Just look at it. That is crazy. Dude, we are still dropping. We are like... And, you know, this is one of, you know, another reason why I love my puts. So, now you guys and gals know why I like puts a lot. We get in, we pretty much get out. I feel like, you know, we're dropping. We could end up seeing that 607. So, that'll be that final target. I'll be honest, though, I'm not in this anymore. Kind of claimed my money and then left. But, yeah, that 607 looks good. I feel like when he does speak, could be a nice opportunity for sure. But yeah, not telling anyone to get into any trades, any plays. So yes, please do your own research. Shout out to A&M. Let's go, ladies. Dude, he cracks me up. So yeah, see what happened on Apple. You can see what happened on a couple of these other plays here. Pretty much IWM. So these same puts here that we ended up having. IWM, see where we call this out this morning here. Another member ended up smacking that too. So IWM made what 3 to 4K there. So pretty self-explanatory day. Not just him. You can see Lawnmower too as well. QQQ 128%. Wow, every chart hit. You can see that you can ask them, not me. Took the first trade here, so first 2 trades or whatever. So new member there, just took that first little entry with us. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it was a crazy day, man. So it's great seeing the targets hit, and also, you know, the other members, you know, catching some decent gains here today. So yeah. We'll keep on going though. So we did BA, SOFI again. Let me see. How much is your Discord? So, I mean, if you even just want to join the free chat, you definitely can. The VIP Discord where we post all the setups, it's what, like $29 a week. We got like 100 a month, and then we have the lifetime and yearly. But yeah, you can even watch my live streams too as well. I'm pretty much live too if you just want to hang around. But yeah, link is in the bio for the Discord. You can see this morning I gave the members what I wanted today. So right before market open, I give my analysis every day. Watching QQQ and Tesla. I was watching PLTR, but we didn't get that entry. And IWM too as well. More Volato. So yeah, everything's in the bio though, so you can see even in the free chat. So yeah, pretty much post everything. You can see those QQ puts. You can see we were at that 622. Now we're at that 613. But yeah, it's wild, man. It's wild day. I'm still. I mean, I see it every day, but yeah, it's just like wow, pretty nice. All right, so yeah, Carla. So under that 2805, that's that next target that I see. So we would have to break and close under that wall. So yeah, we get that nice break outside of this level here. This 2805, we got that empty space to this downside. So looks really good. Right now we're flirting with this this wall here. So looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce on things, but we'll see how long that lasts. All right, so yeah, we'll keep going here. Let's see. SOFI, CRCL. Let's take a look here. I did like Amazon, so I did add that to the list if anyone is wondering. So did come on here to, you know, find some more swings as well for the end of the day. So what time frame? I think, yeah, so the 1 hour looks good. So 1 hour, I can take it on a 1 hour. Can also go down to a lower time frame if I wanted to. If I want to take it on a 30-minute, I would try it. Or if I tried on the lower time frame, this is how I do it. You know, I'm just gonna get in. If I have to stop out and have, you know, stop loss and re-enter, I definitely will. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, I would love a 1 hour close for something really valid. But yeah, it looks really good. So same thing, just like, you know, for today, just for an example here. So I know the Qs, it was more of a lower time frame entry, but you can see Tesla, same thing. So like I say, I always want a 1 hour close on this 1 hour. So for 1 hour, yeah, I would love an actual 1 hour close. Obviously, I'll try it if it, you know, looks decent. You can see we actually close under on that 1 hour chart. And then the next, we end up dropping down below. So that's what I really want to see. But there'll be times where, yeah, I try starters on a lower time frame, things of that sort. We get in. If I have to re-enter, that's perfectly fine. All right, so we'll keep on going. ORCL, let's take a look. All right, so it looks like, yeah, it says screw the upside here. Looks like we are. All right, so it looks like we end up tapping that 239 if we end up getting that continuation at 225. Let me see here. Oh no, I gotta charge my MacBook or it's gonna go off of me. All right, so that's, hold on 1 second here, 1 second. I'll read all comments in a second too. He said, don't jinx it. Dude, honestly, I mean, either the play is going to hit or, you know, it doesn't. I'm not going to, for me, it's just like, okay, I'm going to get in and get out. It's not something for me to, you know, be overly excited about. It is exciting hitting all targets, I will say, but yeah, that's just what I see there. I might as well take your course. Yeah, that's funny. I mean, the course is in, you don't have to if you don't want to. Obviously, I'm live every day. But yeah, that does come with, what, 2 months free VIP? So actually, yeah, that's in there. So I know it says 1, but yeah. Yeah, 2. But anyways, I don't, what happened? Please leave. All right, so we'll keep going. ORCL. Let me look. Let's see. I'm not going to lie to you. It looks like we got a little bit more downside. If I'm in VIP already, how does that work? So if you're already in the VIP, then just 2 free months already get added to the current membership, pretty much. So just for example, you know, someone was in for a month, they have like a month left, and they, you know, ended up getting that. Then yeah, they'll get like 2 more free months, pretty much. All right, so yeah, under that 236 looks pretty good. All right, so yeah, entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want. Yo, what's up, bro? So yeah, pretty much it's just in the course. So that's just a couple months free in the VIP Discord. So that's if anyone has the course, pretty much. Obviously, no, I'm not trying to, I'm not on here trying to, promote the course, things of that sort. But it is there, I will be adding a lot more episodes to it, so it's pretty much a lifetime thing. All right, so ORCL under that 236.12. That's what I can see to the downside if we do end up dropping. She said, "Sign me up." All right, so let's see. ORCL, Apple, okay. QQ, Tesla, IWM. So I do want to look at some earnings for today too as well. Let's see. So yeah, we got a lot of earnings plays for today. I think for today I might take one, just because we did so well. So it'll be a nice little lotto for me. We got what today? We got Airbnb, Sound, TTD, DraftKings. Oh yeah, we got a lot today. Yo, Milo, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. And yes, yeah, we'll do it. But yes, 1 second here before I continue. Gonna get me some water. So 1 second here. If you do want to join the Discord, link is at the bottom. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Shout out to Milo for sharing live. All right, yeah, 1 second here. I'll be right back. But yeah, 1 second. And yes, just please do your own research before doing anything. Not financial advice. All right, cool. 1 second here, guys. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm not gonna lie, walking in and seeing that big red candle was just still so wild. So yeah, everything just pretty much dumped. Obviously, Apple's still in that empty space. So it looks like we're stalling just a bit here, but we'll see how things play out. I personally don't want to touch QQ, Tesla, or IWM again. So yeah, we'll keep on moving. Snap. Oh, okay, cool. Or Snapchat. Are you? I'm pretty sure that's just Snap, unless you're asking for like a Snapchat. May this be just correction, or is it something worse? Honestly, if it's something worse, I'm down for it. If it's worse, that's just better for me. I mean, if it's good, I mean, we got some empty space above us too. But I'll be honest, I'll let you know right now, I will be taking advantage of, these puts if we can get some more entries. As of this second here, I'm not really too worried about it. But yeah, we got a lot more empty space to the downside. I know what the last couple weeks or so we've been, a lot of trades have been heading up. So if we come back down, not saying we will, obviously not saying it is, you know, a bear market or anything, but if we do, you know, go down, there is some empty space that that I would love to go into. So like, just like Tesla here. So the next little move on this that I wouldn't mind taking, and I honestly, I love when it like has some really decent moves today. It was very smooth. It wasn't chopping. It wasn't going back and forth like this. We kind of just did exactly what I needed it to do for today. So yeah, shout out Jesus. It's been a great one. But yeah, the next little move on Tesla, let's just say, hopefully by tomorrow this happens. So I don't want it to happen today, pretty much, since this play already ended up going. But yes, we got some more empty space. So it really just depends. I'm not really gonna, I'll be honest, I don't really sit up and wait and think like, okay, is the market gonna go up today? Is it gonna go down? I don't really stress over it. I just react to it pretty much. So I'll react to it. If we want to drop, cool. If we want to, you know, make some more empties, make some more structure and target this upside, you got to think about it. For me, at least, there's a lot of empty space here too. So both ways, I see good. All right, so yeah, that's on Tesla under that 438. That'll be that next little play. All right, so now let's keep going. Amazon, where are we at here? All right, so Amazon, I think I might wait end of day for this one, or unless we get that 46-minute close. So 46 minutes left for that close, actually. Maybe I'll try some start or some light entry. We'll see, though. We're kind of just flirting with this ball, so for a play like this, I'll just pretty much, since it's on that high time frame, do want to wait for that close. If it leaves me, it's fine. I could care less if it leaves. I do want to close. I don't want to get stopped out right now. Personally, I mean, the safest targets would be, you know, this 231 and then that imbalance of, and yes, just please do your own research, that imbalance of that 237. I personally want a little bit more to that 226. I may have like a pre-imbalance, so I may end up having like a pre-target where I maybe trim just a bit and then hold the rest accordingly. Yo, Shango, what's up? GM? Dude, I thought I thought you were saying good morning, bro. My bad. I got you. All right, so GM, yeah, we can go over higher time frame. Yeah, my bad, bro. My bad. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. GM. So yeah, I do see. Yeah, that's definitely being added to the list. That's especially if we want to keep dropping. That doesn't look too bad, actually. Wait, let me not disrespect the upside really quickly. So let me go to a higher time frame. Let me look. All right, cool. All right, so nothing really stopping us to the upside there. Yo, Alfred, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Hope you're having a blessed one today. All right, so yeah, I do like the 24-hour chart. Kind of self-explanatory too. So same thing, just like all of our other trades that we end up having. Personally, this top wall, I'll use these wicks. Bottom wall, I'm going to use points of contact. So there's a wick and a body candle closing there. So this is where price is having a hard time getting under. So if we break under there, we have empty space down to that 58.36 area. Entry, exit, middle of the move. Yeah, we got exactly what we want, and that is that 62.54. So yeah, it actually looks really good. Clear gap up, no consolidation. Do want to see that 66.56 break to that downside. All right, so yeah, that is on GM. For me, I personally won't be touching this, not until we can get the entry. So just like all the trades in my Discord, you know, the trades I post, like, so this one would be a nice example here. I post it and we wait. So for me, at least, we're inside the box. We didn't have any sort of punchback or anything yet either. So yeah, I would just wait. So just like the plays we posted today, told the members. So yeah, they were already ready for today. This was what, 10-20 minutes before market open. Watching QQ, Tesla, POTR. We didn't get that, but IWM as well. And posted all the charts, QQ puts. You can see Tesla puts. You can see IWM. So a few of those were still in the boxes. So we had some time. And Tesla, we had a little bit of time there as well. We get in, we get out. So, so a nice little day. You can see a couple members hitting the Qs play. So yeah, that was that. So yeah, nice little day. A couple members hitting that IWM. So yeah, we just wait and then we get in, and yeah, that's it. Let's see here. Oh wow, hold on, 1 second here, 1 second. I gotta get this ad off my screen. I didn't even see it pop up. Let's see. Join VIP Monday, and I'm missing entries on alerts. When should I be getting into the day trades? So yes, for the day trades, I will either say, if I'm in starters, I'm most likely in. So if that means entry is fine. You can just have to cut it if it ends up reversing, things of that sort. If you need help with contracts, just ask. But we mainly target the middle, so the middle imbalance. That'll be that middle target. But yeah, you can always ask me if I'm in a play or things of that sort. But I will mainly say it inside the day trading alerts. So yeah, keep an eye on the day trading alerts, and then sometimes in the VIP. So sometimes I may end up one second. All right, 1 second here. So yeah, this morning I think I did end up saying about the Qs. What program? So yeah, this is on TradingView. So this morning, so I made the Qs. So I was saying watching Tesla puts, and so hold on. So this morning, obviously we end up posting the play. So I end up posting the play pretty much. So getting ready for the entry, and then when the time comes, if I'm saying something like if in starters, just trim. Or cut if you have to, then that means I'm more likely in. So underwall, be careful if trying starters. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was that standpoint there, and then we end up staying in. Tell the team what happens here. Cut if any entry goes to your any position goes to entry, and then that's pretty much that. Honestly, it moved very, very smooth. So today was a very smooth day. So it was a great day. Obviously for like a lotto, so if I post it in the live chart finds, if I'm lottoing it, obviously it's going to be a lotto. So yeah, those, you can just, grab lottos once we're in, or you can even just ask me. How are you able to, but yeah, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything, not financial advice. But yeah, that's just how we pretty much call things. So yes, we post them inside the potential setups or the live chart finds, and then either we'll alert them in the day trading alerts or in the VIP chat. If you have any questions, just ask. How are you able to see data like this? So yeah, pretty much same exact thing here. We're on a extended time frame. So just look down here. So go to session, just look. So regular trading hours. This data looks actually crazy. I can't trade this. Whole bunch of gaps. So yeah, go to the session, and then we go to extended trading hours, and boom, we have extended candles. Pretty much everything else is default though. So yeah, that's how we do it, pretty much. Yo, Peter, what's up? What did you get into? And yes, if you have any plays you want me to go over, now's the time to drop them in the comments. My bad. I'm looking at all the other the charts really quickly. It'll go down a bit, close, and skyrocket. I feel like it would definitely be a buying opportunity for Trump's friends and stuff. So we'll see how that plays out. How do you do the extended trading hours? So yeah, you just go down here. So you go down to the bottom here. You go to session. So you right click it pretty much, and then you got the extended trading hours. All right, so Amazon. Okay, I do want that. GM. So yeah, it looks good. Maybe I'll leave an alert. SOFI. Dang, are we dropping more? There's like no way we're dropping more. So SOFI under that 2805. I don't know. It's 5 broke resistance too. I might have to try SOFI. I don't know. We'll see. Just like a lotto. So SPY too. Hold on. Give me 1 second here. Yo, that is crazy. Yeah, that's wild. It's just. If we go, that's crazy. So SOFI, let me take a look. So SOFI, I'll be honest, I'm pretty much late on this one. I didn't get into this at all, but looks like we're at buyer control. Maybe I'll try a lotto if we can get under. But no, I would not be giving any profits back from today. Yo, Catherine, yeah, it's crazy. Like, you can see, like, maybe not. Okay, QCOM did not hit. Okay, so took an L on QCOM, it's fine. But I would say, what, every other chart that we ended up having posting, they all literally hit, which is crazy. So yeah, Amazon will be my next little play there if we can get it. So SOFI under that 228.05, we can get that. Got that. MP Space switches under us. So yeah, a lot of these trades actually look really good. We'll just see how things play out. All right. So it looks like we're bouncing there. Apple's still holding strong. So if you can count on one thing, I will say Apple is in its own world. Dang, those Amazons look good. Let me pull up some contracts on Amazon. Hold on. I kind of want to close though, unless it can convince me. Walmart for a day trade? We'll take a look. Hold on 1 second. I'm just looking at some cons really quickly. Definitely not November 7th, that's for sure. So what? 220. Hold on. 230s. Actually, those contracts don't look terrible though. Not too bad. Not too bad. So yeah, if we do end up getting that continuation, I kind of want to close though. I know I can lotto it though, but kind of want that 4-hour close. So GM, yes, I've written that down. Obviously, Amazon looks good too. I do have a couple other ones that I'm also looking at. Let me look at WMT. Let's see if there's any downside too. Let's see if it'll load. So there may be a little bit of downside here. Damn, Amazon looks so good. I might have to try a lotto. All right, so hold on 1 second here. 1 second. Hold on. Wait, give me a second. Maybe you're on something, Carla. Wait 1 second here. Where's my pen? Please. Where are we at? Where are you at? Pen, please. Okay, I found it, guys. I found it. All right, so Walmart actually doesn't look bad here. Hold on. WMT actually looks pretty good. I don't know if we're, going to continue to drop. Amazon, yeah, I like that. I'm not in yet though, so I'm still. So what? 30. Well, we got 33 minutes left. I'll wait for that 30-minute mark to get that. All right, so dang, yeah, that looks good. That looks amazing, actually. Okay, this will be more of a swing for me, but yeah, right under us, we do got some empty space here. So if we, I'm not saying that we will, but if we do end up, you know, getting that continuation, that break, yeah, we got some empty space to this downside. You can see, yeah, we got this clear gap up, no consolidation. So pretty much just like all of our trades. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So down to that 96.22. Entry, exit, middle of the move. Looks good. Okay, yeah, Carla, I'll definitely look at a 1 hour. So like a day trade. But yeah, under that 135 looks good. Let's see. For day trade. So if we want to go to the upside, so hold on. Let's see where we're at. Okay. Okay. Just wanted to see where we're pretty much at. So Amazon looking promising too. Alright. Okay, so for the upside, this is what I can see here. You know, it doesn't look too bad. There is another overlapping box. But yeah, what a crazy day, man. Wild day. So yeah, another overlapping box above that 101 area. Would love to see up to that 102.60. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here, and that is up to that 102.15. So, not too bad. Really good. Yo, Simone, what's up? I got you with TWLO. Cool. Honestly, yeah, I've written that down. Not too bad. All right, so Amazon, 30 minutes left for that close. We'll see. I'll grab a lotto on that. SOFI flirting with that box. Okay. No, everything is on discount. So if we end up going back, well, when we go back up, it's gonna be a good one. Do I think IWM will go back up? Okay, we'll pull it up. We'll go over TWLO first, but I don't know. We'll see. It exceeded, you know, it went way past, you know, my TP. So, we'll look. All right, let's see. TWLO looks pretty good. Got some downside movements. Oh, Simone, yeah, you're onto something here. TWLO. Okay, I already had like 2 to 3 swings I wanted end of day, but yeah, if we yeah, I may have added like 3 more to the list on just this live. That is crazy. So yeah, another little box here. Yo, Cinder, what's up? So did you want QS or did you want QQQ? So let me know. We can do either one. It's cool. So what platform? So yeah, this is Trading View. Trading View's how I go over all my analysis. Obviously, I use a broker to enter trades though, but you can use any broker you like. Personally, I just don't use Robinhood. If you know, you know. But yeah, right under that 128.98 looks good. We can get that nice little break to the downside. DraftKings and TTD. All right, hold on. So we got to go over IWM, TTD. Actually, I'm leaving this one up. TTD. I'm going to leave Amazon up too. I actually like that. Yo, Stinky. Yeah, exactly what you said, bro. So that's why I was like, yeah, stay away from that. If you know, you know. DK and G as well. And also what? QS. QS. All right, cool. All right, so we'll do it. So IWM, for us to go back up, I don't know. It looks like I may be crazy, which I am just a bit, but you know, I feel like we all are. We got some more empty space below us, so you know, if we end up dumping on that 240 area, we got all that empty space below us. Personally, to the upside though, let's see. So just how we caught this to the upside, there was this clear gap up. So clear gap up, no consolidation. You can see from this morning. Same exact thing here. Hold on. You can see IWM puts right before market open. Clear gap up. We had consolidation. We took it to the downside. Now what I can see here is we built some empty space to this upside. So once we can, you know, so nice top, nice bottom wall here. We get this nice break outside of a wall. We got empty space switches above us. So it looks good, looks decent. I'm just going to let it do whatever it wants to do. I could care less. We already made a nice little bag on it, so it's all good. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you once again. So yeah, Quee said, looks, yeah, it's nothing I want to touch right now. So I don't want to even re-enter on this. I made like 200 off the OKLO setup you showed. Yo, fire. Keep up the great work, bro. Shout out to K. I'm going to pin that comment. Made 200 off the OK. Yo, fire. That's great. That's good. So yeah, to keep up the great work. So, you know, pretty much same exact trades. So yeah, today was a great day. I will say it wasn't. I don't know. I felt good this morning. I felt really good this morning. I had a lot of energy, more than I usually have, and I have a lot of energy, you know. But yeah, today was a great day. A lot of the members ended up, you know, getting in a couple trades too. See that Apple call there. See what happened on IWM. So that IWM play that we ended up having. One member made what? 3,500 on that. See Lawnmower QQ puts, same exact thing. First trade here. So new member ended up having his first trade. So that was a success for them. So pretty nice. We'll keep going. I think where is it? Where's KSDS at? So yeah, he was the first one that ended up posting. Ban today keeps the 9 to 5 away. So yeah, shout out to a different member there. So shout out to Kale. So yeah, pretty nice little day there. Can I look at NUAI? Okay, cool. All right. So we did IWM. We got to do QS. I'm leaving Apple up. Please do something. NUAI. Okay, cool. Good to see you once again. All right, QS. Let's take a look here. It looks like some targets ended up hitting. You know, I guess some targets ended up hitting there. I'm not. I'll be honest. I'm not in that play. Let's look at a higher time frame. So maybe on a weekly chart. Let me see. Okay, actually. There might be something here. So yeah, there may be something to the upside here on QS. Hold on. This is all the way to the left though. So I get where at that. Hold on. Let me look. So I do see two possible outcomes here. Let me see where we're currently at. Okay, I got it. Okay, hold on. 1861, 1861, 1861, 1861. All right, cool. So yeah, same thing here. This is what I see, which looks good. So same exact thing. We got this. He said America's great again. Yeah, that's so funny. All right, yeah, nice top wall, nice bottom wall there. We got some empty space, so above that 1863 area. If we can get a break, so that's on a 24-hour close. Could see up to that 2055. So actually not a bad little play. So yeah, I had to go digging deep on this one. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, we have this clear gap down here, no consolidation. Over that 1863, yeah, we have that nice little play to the upside. So yeah, looked really good. All right, cool. So that's there. We got to go over TTD, DraftKings, and NUAI. Okay, cool. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. So yes, gonna give me another refill. So yeah, if you want to, you know, join the team, honestly, you can even join the free chat. The free chat's there. I gotta post what we did today, but you can get a little bit of a hint of what we did. Link is in the bio. Free chat is there. Obviously, I'll be on live pretty much every single day too. So we will be going over everything pretty much. All right, Amazon, where are we at? Hold on, give me 1 second here. I do want to see where we're at on this. All right, so I think we're right underneath our wall. All right, so that looks really good. So 23 minutes. All right, cool. All right, yes, 1 second here, guys and gals. I'll be right back. Just please do your research. And oh man, I almost forgot to skip this song. It would have got real crazy in here. All right, anyways, we'll do it. All right, 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, I'm back. All right, so let's see. Did I do TTD? No, I did not do TTD yet. So yeah, we'll do that too as well. All right, so Amazon. Okay. All right, so yeah, DraftKings. Honestly, I still like this. This is kind of like a regular entry for me, I would say. So yeah, we got this. Hold on, I got to do like a puzzle for TikTok. So they're making me do a puzzle right now. Let's see. So yeah, personally, I mean, if we can, get this continuation, do want to see this empty space being filled. Personally, I may leave this up just because I do like this upside here. Don't really see any downside that I like on that 24-hour. We can go down to a weekly chart and then break this down too, but I personally still like the upside. Downside, we do have this. So, I'm not saying that it will go down here, but if we do end up continuing getting that flush, we got some empty space. So, let's see. Top, bottom all there. Right under this 23.31. Down to that 19.17 area. So, yeah, the same exact thing, just like all these trades here. Either want to see that take profit hit or not. So yeah, I do like the upside though. So that's there. TTD, of course. You guys and gals may know we've been waiting on this trade since what, 1962. So we've been waiting for quite a while. What I want, obviously I've wanted this for a long time. I want this empty space with this upside. So I can see on earnings last time we had a crazy drop. I'm not saying it will happen, but honestly, I do like this upside here. So above that 55.35 area, we could fill that. That looks really good to me. I'm not saying it will happen. We could end up dumping, but that's just what I see if we can, go back up on that. But no, I won't. I personally won't get into any of these swings until the last hour. So I haven't decided what I wanted to get in yet. So I do like TTD though. If we can get it. I gotta look at the contracts, make sure they're, okay, things of that sort. Yo, listen, what's up? So MU, yeah, got you, and then the Qs. So for the Qs, yeah, we'll take a look there as well. And NUAI, so hopefully V is still watching. Hopefully she is. All right, so let's see. Oh, all right. Okay, cool. Yeah, you might be onto something too. Hold on. She said she's here. Okay, cool, perfect. All right, so as of right now, yeah, we got some empty space that is above us. Nice top bottom wall here. Yeah, right above. Hold on, let's see. 644. Nothing stopping us. I would have to. I want to look further into this, but I mean, it doesn't look bad. I mean, NUAI. Hold on. NUAI. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's not bad actually. I do want to look further into it, of course. So you know, things of that sort. So, but other than that, chart-wise, it looks pretty nice. I will say. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, that's on NUAI. We'll go over QQQ. Dude, are we still dumping? You gotta be kidding me. So yeah, all these plays here, pretty much, we're still dumping. Like, so I really don't have any other words for it. You know, it did exactly what I needed it to do, and maybe a little bit more. So yeah, so what, this morning we ended up having that, what, see, I posted this today, so yes, all this was pretty much typed out for today. I told you I was watching QQ and Tesla. You can see the QQ puts, we were at that 622, now we're at that 611, so my targets ended up hitting and even more. I mean, hold on. Not saying there's a box here, but we end up getting this continuation, couldn't see down to that 607. So that'll be that, what, final target for me that I can see. Personally, to the upside though, looks like we're, you know, trying to build some structure. So a nice top bottom wall. We get above, yeah, we got some empty space that is personally above us too. So yeah, we will see. All right, so hold on. MU, let's take a look here. Maybe 4 hour, okay. All right, so same thing here, pretty much. We got empty space that is under us. Honestly, looks pretty good too. So yeah, not too bad. It's a nice, beautiful bottom wall there. MU, all right, so yeah, we found a couple good setups for today. Today was a great day under that 234, 220. First TV will be that, let's see, that 227. So yeah, it looks really good, not too bad at all. So yeah, we shall see how that plays out. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. So pretty much found a couple good end-of-day swings. Today was a great day. Obviously, I haven't posted exactly everything that we did. But yeah, you can see what we have done. You can look at the games page, things of that sort. But yes, I will be inside of Discord now. Maybe find one more day trade, and then going to get ready for those end-of-day swings. So yes, if you do want to be a part of the team, the community, links in the bio. The free or the VIP chat. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll be on live. So the last hour before market closes. So yes, thank you all so much. Hope you all have a blessed one. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.